Hello everyone, and welcome to English with Pranav. Dear friends, we were discussing on the 12th class topic that is on the face of it. And till here, I have taught you that there was a conversation going on between Derry and Mr. Lamb. Derry, on one hand, was a negative mindset boy, and Lamb was, on the other hand, was a positive mindset man. Both had different drawbacks. He had got burnt face. Who had got burnt face, dear students? Dairy. And Mr. Lamb had got a teen leg. But see the attitude, difference in the attitude. He was always happy and positive. Who? Mr. Lamb. But Dairy was negative. Now from here I have to start. It won't make my face change. Do you know? One day a woman bent by me in the street. I was at a bus stop and she was with another woman and she looked at me and she said, whispered, only I heard. She said, look at this. That is a terrible thing. That is a face only a mother could love. Dear students, actually, Derry is trying to say that in this world, no one loves me except my mother. And the same thing was also said by a woman. Actually, once upon a time, Derry was going on the road and he met a woman who was discussing about his facial structure. Whose facial structure, dear students? Derry's facial structure with other women. And what did he hear? What did Derry hear? Derry heard that his face is so ugly that only his mother can love him or nothing else. His face is so terrible, as you can see the word here, terrible. Now going ahead, Mr. Lamb said, so you believe everything you hear then? Mr. Lamb is trying to say to Derry that Derry, don't believe everything that you hear. People will say different kinds of things. So why do you worry? Derry said, it was cruel. The way the woman said that only my mother can love my face, other people cannot. That was very cruel, Mr. Lamb said. Maybe not meant as such, just something said between them. Mr. Lamb now tries to console him, saying that maybe they might be discussing about somewhat other matter. Derry said, only I heard it. I. Derry said, no, this is the real fact. Only I heard it, saying that his face is so terrible that no one can love him except his mother. Understood? Next. Mr. Lamb said, and is that the only thing you ever heard anyone say in your life? Mr. Lamb said that have you only heard this thing in your life? The negative thing, what other people talk about you? Derry said, oh no, I have heard a lot of things. Derry said, no, I have heard lots of things said by people. Mr. Lamb said, so now you keep your ears shut. Now Mr. Lamb is trying to say that Derry, don't take the words of all the people into your ears. Rather, shut your ears while other people say. Derry said, you are peculiar. You are strange. You say peculiar things. You say very strange things. You ask questions I don't understand. Actually, Derry was surprised what kind of man Mr. Lamb was. Mr. Lamb was always talking with full confidence the positive aspect of his life, but now what happened? Mr. Lamb said, I like to talk, hear company. You don't have to answer questions. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is always open. Dear students, Mr. Lamb said what? I like to talk with people. I like to have company with people. I don't have to answer question. You don't have to answer question. You don't have to stop here at all. The gate is always open. Now, understood everyone, dear student, that Derry is saying in a very negative way. On the other hand, Lamb is talking about that the gate is always open. You are always welcome in my garden. Derry said, yes, but Mr. Lamb said, I have a hive of bees behind those trees over there. Some hear bees and they say, bees was. But when you listen to bees for a long while, they hum. The hum means sing, and I hear them singing my bees. Understood, everyone? Listen once again the explanation. The same bees When a positive mindset people hear, they consider this humming as a song, but when the bees hum, the negative mindset people consider humming as a noise. This is the difference. The voice is the same. Mr. Lambs tries to talk to Derry in such a way that people will say in a positive way or in a negative way, but you as a positive person should take it in a very positive way. Next, dear students, understand. Derry said, but I like it here. I came in because I liked it when I looked over the wall. Derry is saying that I came into your garden. Understood? Who came into his garden? Derry came into Mr. Lamb's garden and said that I came into your garden because I looked over the wall and saw that it was beautiful everywhere. Mr. Lamb said, if you had seen me, you would not have come in. Means, if you had seen me, यदि आप मुझे देखते, you would not have come in. Derry said, no. Mr. Lamb said, no. Whispered, to say something very slow, peculiar. Means here the words are, whispered means to say something, peculiar means strange, hive means बही, in Hindi you can say मधुमक्खी का छत्ता. Okay, understand once again the essence of these paragraphs. Derry said that all this would not change his face. Derry said that my face is not gonna change. Means one day as he was waiting at the bus stop, a bowman, I am giving you once again the explanation. A bowman passed by. A bowman was passing by me. He heard her telling another bowman that he had such a terrible face that only his mother could love him and no one else could. Then Derry heard that only who could love him? His mother, because he had a terrible face. Who listened to this? Derry listened. Who was saying? The bowman was saying. Understood, dear students? Next. Mr. Lamb asked him, did he believe what he heard? Mr. Lamb said, do you believe? Mr. Lamb said, asked him, did he believe what he heard? Means, you believe everything what you hear? Derry said. Stretched and he heard it. Mr. Derry said what? That yes, I have heard it. The bowman saying that my face is terrible and people don't want to talk to me. People get afraid to me. But it is my mother who can only love me. But see, he had heard many things too. Lamb suggested him to shut his ears. He should ignore all this. Mr. Lamb is saying that you should shut your ears and ignore all these things. Derry found Lamb's word strange and added that he could not understand his question. Derry found Lamb's word strange. Means Derry was a positive mindset person, dear students. Understood? And Derry was a negative mindset person, but Lamb was a very positive mindset person. Derry could not understand what Lamb was saying. But see, Mr. Lamb said that he liked to talk and also liked the company of others. My dear student, this is the main thing what you have to understand. Mr. Lamb was a friendly natured person. He liked to talk with others. He liked to have company with others. He also told him that there was no need to answer him and the gates were open. What kind of gates were? The gates were of the garden. Means whenever Derry wanted to come, he was most welcomed. He could leave if he wanted to. Derry did not leave and he seemed unsure of it. Mr. Lamb said that there was a beehive in one of the trees. People considered the buzzing sound of the bees but to be a noise, but for him it was a song sung by the bees. Dear students, Mr. Lamb said what? That for me the hummingbirds sing, but for other people hummingbirds create noise. See the difference. Negative people will see birds not singing, they will see bird making a noise, but positive people will see a bird singing. This is the difference between the mindset of a positive person and a negative person. Derry explained that he had liked the place from outside and so he had entered the garden. Mr. Lamb questioned that would he have entered had he seen Mr. Lamb, to which Derry replied in negative. Actually, Derry said that I have come not to meet you, but I have come just to look at your garden. Now said what? Derry said, it have been trespassing then. Trespassing means to come into the garden of someone without taking permission. But Derry said it was a kind of trespassing, so you should scold me. Mr. Lamb, that is not why. Derry said, I don't like being near people. When they stare, when I see them being afraid of me. Understood here? Derry is once again negative. He said that I don't want to talk to people. I don't want to stay near people. Why? Because when they stare, when they look at me, I can see their faces. Their faces are afraid of me. But this was not reality, dear students. He himself made up his own mind that people are afraid of me because of my ugly face, burnt face. But this was not the reality. Next, Mr. Lamb said, you could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. Mr. Lamb said what? You could lock yourself up in a room and never leave it. There was a man who did that. He was afraid, you see, of everything in this world. Now Mr. Lamb, trying to change the mind of Derry, he is narrating a story that once upon a time there was an old man who also did not have good face, and he did not want to go outside. But what happened with him? Understood? Everything in this world, a bus might run over him, or a man might breathe deadly germs onto him, or a donkey might kick him to death, lightning might strike on him, he might love a girl and the girl would leave him, he might slip on a banana skin and fall, and people who saw him would laugh at their heads off. So he went into the room and locked the door and gone into the bed and stayed there. Dear students, understand it in a very different way. Actually, he's saying, Mr. Lamb is saying that once upon a time there was a man who was not ugly. Let me tell you, and let me myself correct myself, because there was a man who was not ugly, but he was a negative mindset person. He thought that if I go outside, the bus might run over me. वो मेरे पर चला आएगा बस, मैं मर जाऊंगा. I will take last bath, and if I go outside, deadly germs will attack on me. If I go outside, donkey will kick me and put me to death. If I go outside, lightning might strike on me. If I go outside and if I love a girl, that girl will leave me. वो लड़की मुझे छोड़ देगी. Also, he might sleep on a banana skin. If he go outside, he will sleep on a banana skin, केले के छिलके पर, and fall. वो गिर जाएगा. People saw him who would laugh with their heads off. They will laugh at me. So he went into the room and locked the room and got into his bed and stayed there. Putting this very story into the ears of Derry, Mr. Lamb wanted to say that, see, you should not be a person like a man who had very negative mindset all the time and did not go outside. He did not enjoy his life. Derry said forever he was in his room. Mr. Lamb, for a while, for a second he was in the room. Derry said, then what happened to that man? Mr. Lamb, a picture fell off the man on his head and killed him. See, this is irony. This is a very laughing point here. How? Because that man was not leaving his room. He was not going outside because he feared that if I go outside, I will be killed by anyone. But at the same moment, another moment in his room, a picture fell down, due to which he was killed. Derry laughs a lot. Derry started laughing. And what kind of man he was that he did not go outside and he was killed in the room because of a picture falling? Derry said, but you still say peculiar things. But you say I say very strange things. Mr. Lamb, peculiar to some. Trespassing means, dear, entering without permission. Understood? A strike means to hit. Once again, understand the summary of these lines what I have recently taught you. Derry said, and this is very much important, watch this video till the end, please, for you all guys. Derry said that if he would have entered his garden, even after knowing that he was there, he would have been without his permission. Derry said that if I had entered into the garden without knowing, simply you can understand, Derry entered into the garden without knowing that any person is there. He did not know that Mr. Lamb is present there. Mr. Lamb said that that was not the real reason. Derry said that he did not like going near people. Derry said that I don't want to talk to people, as they go afraid of him and stared at him. Means when they come closer to me, when other people come closer to me, they are afraid of me. Who is saying this? Who is saying dear? This is none other than Derry. Mr. Lamb suggested that he would lock himself in a room forever. Then he narrated a story. Mr. Lamb said, then lock yourself into the room forever. Then he narrated a story about a man who locked himself in his room and he was afraid of everything. The man thought that he would meet with an accident if he goes outside. He would catch infection from someone. A donkey would kick him to death. The man was thinking. The lightning may hit him, or he may die because the girl whom he loved may leave him. These were all negative things. He may even slip off a banana skin and people would laugh at me. Dear student, if you think, now the moral lesson for my students, understand. If you always think positive about your life, everything will be positive in your life. But if you always think negative in your life, everything will be negative in your life. So the decision is all yours, how you want to lead your life and live your life. Listen. Derry surprisingly asked Mr. Lamb if he locked himself forever. He replied that no, he did so for a while, because Derry asked him what happened next. Mr. Lamb replied that a picture fell on his head and he died. This made him laugh a lot, and he said that Mr. Lamb narrated a strange talks. Mr. Lamb said that they were strange for some people. Dear students, did you understand what happened with that man who did not want to go outside because he thought that if I go outside I will die? Inside his room, a picture fell down and he died. Understood, dear students? And in this way, Derry was very much impressed with Mr. Lamb. Now the moral till here, still the story is there, but the moral for you guys is what? That be positive always. As Derry was negative in the you can say initially, but in the middle of the conversation and in the last, he is now becoming positive because of this positive person. Actually, there is a quotation, a man is known by the company he keeps. So dear student, if you keep a good company, you will be regarded and respected. But if you keep a bad company, you will not be regarded. So the decision is all yours. Be positive, live positive, think positive. Hope, dear students, you enjoyed the class, and if you have enjoyed the class, then please subscribe my channel and share to all. Thank you everyone. Thank you.